have a stop loss, and what are the mistakes normally a trader does if doesn't keep the stop loss. Now the simple example which I'm putting over here, the price is somewhere around it's 953. I bought it at 100. Okay, this is my buying price, which is 953, and I will start with this. Now if I got here the buy signal, I'll just buy from here and I will wait. I know that this is what my stop loss, the previous stop loss which I will put, it's a lower of 780. I can show you that as well. 1 minute. So this candle, the low is 780 over here, which I have 1 second. So if I click over here, so I'm getting low. So I'll keep this stop loss over here. But now this low is 824, as you can see upside. So still I will in the trend, and I will keep my stop loss over there as a 780. I will wait. Still my stop loss is that only. Then over here I will keep my this stop loss. Just 1 minute. For this particular candle, the lower is, what is the low of this? It's 853. So I will keep that 853 as a stop loss, and I will be in the particular trade. Now after that I will keep this as a low, and after this I will keep as a low. So finally I'll be keeping my stop loss somewhere over here 1520 or 1525. Below that, if it hits, then I will come out. Because if you can see over here, the moment I enter over here, from there till somewhere over here, I already got 60% of ROI. Okay, so this is enough. This is very enough for me. But still I will see to it that if that hits, then I will exit it, and otherwise I will continue with my journey. So I will see to it that how it goes. And this is what my stop loss. And the moment, as you've seen that I have put my one horizontal line over here, which is stop loss and which hits, and out of that I need to break down. Till now also, if I see from here, I'll just show you the enter, where I enter over here, somewhere over here up to here, still I got somewhere around 58% of ROI, which is pretty nice from last 7 months. Okay, now suppose if I wouldn't have the user stop loss, and I'm just waiting for the miracles to happen, what I said just now. So what will happen, we'll see to it that I was in a good position, good shape in the position where I was getting a very nice profit over here. But I will see to it that how my profit is now slowly going down. Don't worry about this indicator. I'll be taking through whatever the indicators I'm showing. These indicators will definitely help you to take a decision, and that's what I'm going to cover in this particular lectures. But as you can see, with that particular indicators also, and the whatever the strategy which I will be teaching how to set the stop loss and all that stuff, but only the example purpose which I'm trying to show you over here. If the person is greedy, if he is not keeping any kind of stop loss, he's not following the discipline, he's not disciplined traders, so you can see the result. Okay, the moment he was in a good shape of the profit, wherein now he's exact 55% of loss. Okay, so this is what you need to understand. Without taking a stop loss, a single trade can also vanish your entire capital, and you will be a later on means not a remember, or some kind of traders which no one will remember you for this, because market will punish you because you are undisciplined traders over here. Hope you have I have cleared this point to you, and we'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you very much. Thank you guys.